Hello everybody and welcome back to Tough Style. Today we are going to DIY a charcoal mask with activated charcoal and Elmer's glue. With that being said, let's just get into it. So I have it in pill form. This is what the pills look like. We're being mad scientists today. That's one pill in, and your hands are already dirty. Wow. That's what it looks like. I think it's supposed to be 2 pills with these. That's what it looks like now with 2. I think that's pretty good. Now we're just gonna try some glue. That's the amount of glue I put in, because if you put too much, it takes longer to dry. So I figured why not? And I'm just using this little spatula thingy. Ooh. I think it looks pretty good with just these 2 pills and that a little bit of glue. That's what that looks like. So I'm just going to put it on the places where I have the most blackheads and or whiteheads, and that is my nose and my chin. So let's glue this on. I think that looks good. Got some on my chin. By the way, my face is washed just so that all the whiteheads can come out and or blackheads. This made a lot. Put some on my forehead. Just for us. Alrighty, I still have more in here, but I am not going to put any more just because I don't have any other places to put it. So, and I'll be back once this is dry, and then we can rip it off and feel the pain. See you soon, party people. Alrighty, we are dry. I'm so excited. Let's see how this goes. Sorry. So, no. Let's do the chin first. It doesn't hurt. Yet. That. Oh. Look at all that. That's so cool. And gross at the same time. Alright, we'll fix that later. The whiteheads seem to be gone here. Wow, okay. How am I supposed to get this off? Dude, do you see that? Alright, I'm going to take the rest of this off camera and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are done. The whiteheads seem to have disappeared, but the blackheads seem to be like more out there now for some reason. I don't know. But yeah, it was a fun thing to do and I would definitely do this again. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time on Chess Style. Bye, pretty people.